I'm gonna put y'all on YouTube. Okay.
Oh yeah.
What is your name?
I'm Francisco Igot. I came from Medellin, Cebu.
Okay, and your name? Okay, and yours? And you're the shy one. Now you're the brother of Joe, right? The seaman?
No, I'm a nephew of Joe.
Nephew.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's going on here? Why are we getting all this rain?
Because of the monsoon.
Monsoon?
I'm not sure, but because of the LPA, low pressure area.
Yeah, well, no, there's no low pressure area.
No?
No, it's all monsoon. But I'm going to turn this around. Hey guys.
Hi.
I've been out here. We're just kind of trolling the neighborhood. And I met these young guys. They're also very nice. And all we got is rain. The last 5-6 days is nothing but rain. There's the rain. There's no low pressure area. It's all monsoon from the cold weather coming down. But this is a typical day when you got all of this rain during the winter. Because the cold air is hitting the hot air, and I'm not even sleeping with the aircon now. So if I can sleep without an aircon, well, that means it's cold. Cold for the Filipinos and mild for me. You guys are awesome. Y'all are movie stars now. This is the park that we go to. We bring Rosa's children over here to this park. And as you can see, it's raining now, so I kind of got messed up. I didn't bring an umbrella with me. So I've got to wait it out. But this is a nice park right by our house. And there's Batman.
And here's a Superman.
Superman here. And you?
Supergirl.
Supergirl. And you? The shy one, right? You know, it's crazy. We got to make videos like this, but when it rains all the time, I can't get out on the motorcycle. I can't travel. I can't do anything. But at least I got a lot of fun with the locals, right?
Yeah, right.
All right.